Um, uh, Stevie, I didn't open the cupboard for you. Oh, Stevie, I opened the cupboard up to get a cup. No. Um, yeah, I know you think it's open invitation, but I didn't actually open it for you. Yeah. I know it's hard for a cat to resist, I know. Especially a Stevie, who seems to have a thing about cupboards. Hmm? Well, you're deflecting from it all, Stevie. Deflecting from the subject. Oh, I didn't do anything. I knew it wasn't for me. Yeah, I knew it wasn't for me. Yeah. Yeah, Stevie. Yeah, really. But oh, it's just so tempting. It's just too tempting to want to go in there. I might miss something. But I know it wasn't for me. Even though, oh, yeah. There might have been something, yeah, just have this grave desire to climb into the cupboard. I don't know what it is. I just can't help myself. Oh, it's just too much in there. Yeah, I'm telling you, I might have missed. Yeah, Stevie. Is that a translation of the cat thoughts of the Stevie? Well, Stevie. Hmm? More to investigate. Oh, gosh. Places I don't remember, even though they've been here all the time. Things to check out. Things for Mum to clean after. There's so many things. Oh.